Namaste and welcome to the next episode of Clinical Ayurveda. Myself, Dr. Mayuresh Akte. We were discussing Kesha Karma, and in last episode we have discussed the hetus which are needed to be considered in the Kesha treatment in detail. As we discussed, ruling out of hetu is a major portion required for the success of the Kesha treatment. Now, we will discuss today the different hair conditions and their treatment. When a patient comes to us for specifically hair problem, they expect us to give internal medicine as well as external application like oil mainly for the hair problem. And the commonly used or famous oil for the hair problem is of oil of Bhringaraj, Mahabhringaraj tel or Bhringaraj tel. It is widely used even on the medical shop across the counter. The sale is very high, and it may be because of the advertisement or a glamour of Bhringaraj in the Kesha treatment. But always remember, when a drug is useful in specific condition, you must understand in which condition it has to be used. As I said, Bhringaraj or products of Bhringaraj are very commonly widely used by the people. But is it true that in every hair problem the Bhringaraj is useful? No. Always see the Gunadharma of the Dravya before using it. Bhringaraj is a Ushnatishna Viryatmaka Dravya. Hence, if we use it in a hair loss without any other condition like dandruff, etc., because of Tishna and Ushna Guna, it will increase the hair loss. In my practice, I have seen many patients which are using Bhringaraj tel without any logical thinking behind it, and they always say that after using this oil, the hair fall is increased because the reason of the hair fall was nourishment and not a dandruff. The Ushtadishna Dravya having Kesha Karma are indicated only when there is Kleda Sanchiti. Hence, when there is a condition like dandruff, and because of that dandruff, hair fall is the main symptom seen, in that case only Ushnatishna Dravya like Bhringaraj or Maka are helpful. Otherwise, they will increase the hair fall if there is no any condition like dandruff. So, when there is a dandruff like situation, then we can use Bhringaraj, Sahachar, Karanja tel, Varnashodhan tel like oils or the powders of these dravya for the external application to reduce the dandruff first. These dravya are Kledagna, hence they will reduce the dandruff and their effect on the hair will be reduced. So always remember, whenever there is no dandruff condition but hair fall is there, you have to avoid such dravya. When there is another condition where because of Kleda Sanchiti there is hair loss, it is called as Indralupta or alopecia, where there is a circle white patch occurs on the scalp and surrounding the area of that patch the hairs are normal. Here also you have to consider the Kleda Sanchiti, and here this dravya of Ushnatishna Guna can be useful. Another good treatment for Indralupta is Jalokacharan or Viddhakarma. What happens? The Kledagna Sanchiti is at the root of the hair, and many times supply of blood in that area is not proper because of the Kleda Sanchiti. In that case, to increase the supply of the blood in that area, Jaloga Charan in the center of that patch will be helpful because they will suck the blood all around the area and supply will be restarted. Similarly, the Viddha Karma can be useful because it penetrates the scalp and oozing of the blood also increases the supply of the blood in that area. So, in the conditions like dandruff, Indalukta, Kesha Dravya like Bhringraj, Sahachar, Karanja, which are Ushrishna Gunatmak, are indicated. The next condition where there is no dandruff but there is plain hair fall without any reason, uh, then of course hetu should be avoided. In that case, the oils or the dravyas which contain nourishment value for the hair can be used. You can use amalki, you can use kumari in that such oils or applications. When there is a mental stress and hair fall is there, you can use the oil which contain brahmi, jatamansi like dravya, which will have effect on the mental stress, and they will also have a nourishment on the hair growth. In internal treatment, as we have discussed, the nourishment of Asthidhatu is important. So dravyas like Laksha, Guduchi, Arjun, Asti Shunkala, Kukutanga Tvak Bhasma, Praval, which are Asthivardhak, can be used. In the case of Kleda Sanchari, to reduce the clay at the root of the hair, the dravyas which we have discussed in the Kushtha episode, Swayamvakya, Khadira, etc., can also be used for the hair to reduce the clay present at the scalp region. So, though Kesha Karma seems to be very easy in practice, it is not so easy unless and until you rule out the hetus and you also pick the proper dravya for the Kesha treatment. Otherwise, your treatment will not be successful. So, make the list of the dravya in your book, that Kesha Karma for dandruff, Ushrishna dravya for nourishment, the dravyas which will nourish the Kesha, the for stress level, which dravya you will use externally or internally. So you will have a ready reckoner in your hand when a patient comes to you. Hence, Kesha Karma, when you are going to use the dravyas, pick the dravyas very specifically, otherwise success will not be possible. In next episode, we will come with another topic of discussion. Thank you very much.